Well, hello there. What we're going to do in this video is to write a formula for the nth term of a sequence. This sequence is negative 24, negative 36, negative 54, etc. Now I first want to see if this is an arithmetic sequence. So to do that, we're going to subtract the terms in pairing. So we'll take negative 36 minus a negative 24, and when we subtract that we get negative 12. And then we're going to take negative 54 and subtract our negative 36, and when I subtract that I get a negative 18. So these are not the same difference that we get, so this is not arithmetic sequence. So then I want to say, well, let's see if it's geometric. So to check to see if it's geometric, I'm going to take the ratios of my terms in a pairing. So I'll first start with the negative 36, the second term, divided by the first term, negative 24. And when we simplify that, we get a positive 3/2. And then we'll take the third term divided by the second term. So negative 54 divided by the negative 36. And when you simplify that ratio, you also get a 3/2. So I do get a common ratio, and that common ratio is R is equal to 3/2. So I always like to go through and check to see what kind of sequence it is if I don't have a verbal cue in the question, by first checking to see if it's arithmetic and then checking to see if it's geometric and that sort of thing. Now remember, for the geometric nth term, the nth term a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1, where a sub 1 is your first term and r is your common ratio. So I do have my a sub 1 in this problem is our negative 24, and our common ratio r is 3/2. So we're going to put that in here, and so we get, for our general term, a sub n is equal to negative 24. And remember, the exponent is just acting on the r. So when I put that common ratio in, I'm going to put it in parentheses. So parentheses 3/2 to the n minus 1 exponent. And there you have the formula for the nth term of that sequence, negative 24, negative 36, negative 54, etc.